let's make a Miniverse Chocolate Bundt Cake. And at the same time, I'll be making a full-size chocolate bundt cake for myself. Since the Miniverse cake is already baked, we'll start by making the full-sized cake. In a medium-sized bowl, whisk together 84 grams of all-purpose flour, 160 grams of granulated sugar, 24 grams of Dutch processed cocoa powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of espresso powder. Next, add 1 egg, 57 grams of canola oil, 60 grams of buttermilk, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then mix until combined. When you can't see any more streaks of the dry ingredients, slowly whisk in 60 grams of boiling water. When you're done mixing, pour the batter into a greased bundt pan. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 to 35 minutes, then take it out and let it cool completely. In the meantime, let's get our whipped cream ready. To a chilled bowl, add 120 grams of cold heavy cream, a splash of vanilla extract, and 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar. Then start whipping. Pro tip: chill your bowl and stand mixer beaters in the freezer before you get started. The cream will whip up faster if both your bowl and ingredients are very cold. Slow your mixing speed as your cream starts to thicken. You want to be careful not to over-whip or it will start to curdle. Stop whipping when you reach stiff peaks. Then transfer to a piping bag. Now let's melt some chocolate and start decorating. Boil a small amount of water in a saucepan and place your chocolate in a bowl above the pan. It's best if the bowl doesn't touch the water so that the chocolate doesn't burn. Stir until the chocolate is melted. Then add a little bit of canola oil or grapeseed oil and stir until combined. This will make it easier to drizzle. Pour the chocolate into a pastry bag, then snip the tip and start drizzling. Meanwhile, I'm adding the resin chocolate to the Miniverse bundt cake. Once I got my mini cake looking the way I wanted it to, I baked it in my Make It Mini kitchen oven for 5-minute intervals until the resin was set. Now for the whipped cream and cherries. I Put a tiny bit of resin on the bottom of the miniature whipped creams, then place them on the cake. Meanwhile, I used a French star piping tip to pipe whipped cream kisses onto my full-sized cake. Then I placed a maraschino cherry on top of each whipped cream kiss. I love how cute the Miniverse cake looks next to the full-sized cake. The full-size cake was so chocolatey and moist. I hope you give this recipe a try soon. Thanks for watching!